Question 14. Copper can reduce zinc ions if the resultant copper ions can be kept at a sufficiently low concentration by the formation of an insoluble salt. What is the maximum concentration of copper ions in solution if this reaction is to occur when zinc ion is 1 molar? Reaction जो है वो है Cu plus Zn2 plus forming Zn plus Cu2 plus. तो जिंक का हो रहा है रिडक्शन. So zinc is acting as the anode or copper is getting oxidized, so it is acting as cathode. Concentration of zinc ions is 1 m. Concentration of copper ions you have to find out. Let the concentration of copper ions be Z moles per liter. Now taking the reduction reaction, when Cu2 plus ions get reduced to copper atom, let the concentration of Cu2 plus ions be Z moles per liter. When the concentration of copper ions is 1 mole per liter, then it is the standard reduction potential value, and the standard reduction potential value is 0.34 volt. Now reduction potential when the concentration of Cu2 plus ions is Z moles per liter. So reduction potential value for Cu2 plus to Cu will be equal to standard reduction potential value, that is 0.34 minus 0.0591 by 2 log. On the product side you have copper atom, so concentration is 1, divided by, on the reactant side copper ions are there, the concentration of copper ions is Z moles per liter, so this becomes 1 by Z, log 1 by Z. Similarly, if you consider reduction reaction of zinc ions accepting 2 electrons changing into zinc metal, concentration of zinc ions is 1 mole per liter. Standard reduction potential value of zinc ions is minus 0.76 volt. Now in this case, the reduction potential is same as the standard reduction potential because the concentration of zinc ions is 1 mole per liter. It can also be seen from the equation. The reduction potential of zinc is equal to standard reduction potential minus 0.0591 by 2 log concentration of zinc atoms. It will be taken as 1. Metallic zinc will be taken as 1. Zinc ions is 1 mole per liter. Now log 1 to the base 10 is 0. So this entire term becomes 0. This entire term becomes equal to 0. So the reduction potential is same as the standard reduction potential, that is minus 0.76 volt. Now for the cell to be functional, EMF of the cell should be positive. And what will be the EMF of the cell? EMF of the cell will be E cathode minus E anode, and in this case, cathode is zinc. So reduction potential of zinc minus reduction potential of copper, E cathode minus E anode, it should be positive, that is it should be greater than 0. Or it can be written reduction potential of zinc is greater than reduction potential of copper. Reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76 volt, and this is greater than reduction potential of copper. Or reduction potential of copper is less than minus 0.76. Now what is the reduction potential of copper? When the concentration of copper ions is Z moles per liter, it is standard reduction potential of copper, that is 0.34 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by Z, and this should be less than minus 0.76. Taking 0.34 on the right hand side of the equation, minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by Z is less than minus 0.76 minus 0.34, which is equal to minus 1.1. So minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by z should be less than minus 1.1. Or this can also be written as 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by z is greater than 1.1. Rearranging, log 1 by z will be greater than 1.1 into 2 divided by 0.0591, and this is equal to 37.22. So log 1 by z is greater than 37.22. Taking antilog, 1 by z is equal to antilog 37.22 will be 10 to the power 37.22. Therefore, z will be equal to 10 to the power minus 37.22, which is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 38 moles per liter. So the concentration of copper ions should be 6 into 10 to the power minus 38 moles per liter. This is the value of Z.